Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna start a deep cleaning of my house because it's a mess. Okay, the last video cut off, but what I was saying, I had just come back from vacation 2 days ago, and before that I only had one day to get back from Mexico and pack my things to go to Portugal, and then I just came back and so everything is just all over the place and I need to get my shit together basically. So what I'm gonna start doing is the easy things. I have this messy pile of clothes. It's already clean, but I need to put it in the dryer because I don't have time to put it away. This is my gym bag that I need to clean out and put away. So that's what I'm gonna start with. Hopefully I can get other things done, but at least for tonight, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get to it.
When we used to be in love and we thought that nothing could ever keep us from partying, leaving this romance behind.
Good morning, it's early Saturday and I need to keep going. Today I'm gonna try to put down that tree and yeah, pick up around here. So I'm gonna write down a list of all the things I need to do and then just be checking them off as the whole house reset goes, and hopefully I can check them all off by the end of this video. This is the list so far. All these are air drying here. I need to put that away. I need to put that away. I need to put that in its place as well. Those need to be hand washed. More putting away. And any Christmas or those chocolates, I'm gonna need to put them away as well. This whole thing needs to be put away, and that's it. At least, oh, and this once for all needs to go away. That's it for now for the living room. So we'll see how long that takes. I have recently started paying attention to my clothing when I wash them and when I put them in the dryer. And for the pieces that I really like and will not like to mess up, I just prefer to air dry them so that I make sure that they stay the way they're supposed to be and they don't shrink when I put them in the dryer. So that's what I did here, but now I have to check them out and see if they're ready to be put away.
Laughing out loud, I'm telling you why I'm living the life, just me, myself, and I used to think that life was cold and lonely when you up and left me, sadness overwhelming me. I'm out and about.
This is looking so gross. Yeah, it's much better now. So this is when things get nasty. I already cleaned the kitchen, well, the top and everything, and so there's always water falling on the ground, and this is what it looks like. Dirty floors, and yeah. Just gonna finish wiping this up and finish sweeping the floor and mop it, which is going to be really satisfying, especially given the condition the floor is in. I think it looks better on camera, but in person it looks really gross, really bad. Okay, kitchen is looking pretty clean at this point. There's a big box from Amazon that I'm filling in with things for donations. I'll probably do a declutter sometime soon, but at least these floors are now clean. Kitchen counter is all nice and clear. I still have the Christmas tree, which I don't know if I'm gonna get down today. So it's almost 2 p.m. right now, and I haven't gone outside for a walk or a run, so I'm just gonna go and change out of my PJs, go for a short run, and come back and continue, because at this point I'm just not super tired, but like I just want a break.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time
Hi, it's another day and I still haven't gotten started. I got up early this morning to edit a different video, and hopefully I'll be posting that, so I want to finish that, get it out of the way before I get back onto doing my chores, which is mainly putting that away. And I'm gonna try to go for a hike or something like that, and then a few things. Oh yeah, I have to go grocery shopping, do some meal prepping for sure, and I also need to clean out my car because I have a lot of camping gear that I let my friend borrow, so now I need to put it away. That's probably gonna happen around the same time when I put that tree away or get things down. But yeah, so it's already almost 9 or 9 something already, and I'm a little behind, but hopefully I'll have enough energy to get through the last things on my list, at least to feel like my house is back to normal and I can focus on the other things that I want to get done during the rest of the month. So it's okay.
good and bad, I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
Okay, here's the thing. I went grocery shopping. I didn't take it with me, but I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I'm gonna cook for today's lunch dinner and for this week's meal prep. So I'll show you around. Hopefully you'll like it and get some inspiration maybe for yourself. I had to take the meat out because I wanted to fit the zucchini in here, but look at it, it looks really good. look at the mess. There's pine needles everywhere basically. There's a trail right here. The couch. And the dead Christmas tree. I might just consider getting a fake Christmas tree next year, so I don't have to do this super tedious job, because now I have to vacuum, which I already did yesterday. So pretty much I could have just waited until today to do all the cleaning, but I didn't, so it is what it is. Okay guys, after finishing my lunch, I turned on the turbo mode and started cleaning as fast and as efficient as I could, so I could be done by the end of Sunday and be able to start a week on the fresh foot. Thank you for sticking around, and hopefully this will give you inspiration or motivation to start your own reset at any given point of the month, of the week, or after you come back from traveling. I'll hope to see you next week. See you later.